Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right here, you're looking at a 30 chicken rotisserie machine. Yeah, this is going to be a capacity of 30 chicken. Obviously you got 6 levels for this unit. Each level holds up to 5 chicken. Okay, now the brand on this unit is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. This is an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. You have glass display doors on the front. You have your adjusters for the fire on the side. You have a separate adjuster for each level, as well as rotating switch. Okay, so you have an automatic rotation function for this unit. You also have a lighting switch and a fan switch that are on the front of this unit. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the measurements for this unit. For your length, you're looking at 46.5 inches of the length. For your depth, you're looking at a total of 19 inches. And the overall height for this unit, you're looking at 50 inches high. Now the unit does come with wheels, okay? So you have the option if you want to go ahead and use this as a countertop unit, or if you want to go ahead and add the wheels. Wheels are going to be included for this rotisserie machine. Okay, they will be coming in that box, just like that. Okay, now if we go back to the front, I want to go ahead and measure the work area for you. Work area on the inside, you're looking at a total of 36 inches. Now this unit you can either use for natural gas or propane. Okay, you will be provided with a propane conversion kit. It is already set up for natural gas. If you want to go ahead and switch it to propane, you will be provided with that kit. Also, you will be provided with a user manual that will be inside, and waste tray as well is included. If you follow me over to the side, on the side you can locate certification. This unit is going to be certified by the health department, and you can locate that right on that side sticker. Also located on the side is your fan. Okay, lastly, we have our connections on the back. You have the gas entry and you have the electric connection for the rotation function. Okay, the electric plug is standard US plug, runs on 110 volt for that plug. Okay, as we mentioned, this is a 30 chicken rotisserie machine. If you're interested in one of these units, you can go on the website coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.